Alright, so this is the last trip with me and my baby. She's really upset, so I want you guys to see her. Hey, princess. She's kind of nippy and stuff. I gave her a little tiny piece of something to help her calm down. Definitely not doing good. She had a thing on her stomach that kind of exploded, so it's it. I really don't want to have to put her down, but she's got to go. That's how it is. You okay? One good back scratch. One nice good back scratch. Yeah, I feel good. It's so sad. She didn't want to go. I know she did not want to go. She got to do it. She had a good, long, healthy life. Having not been able to walk for a long time. She's killing me. My baby, though. You gonna make it? Your scratch. She's trying to nippy me a second ago. She didn't know who it was. I don't think she was scared. I think she knows where she's going. I hate to do it to you, baby. I hate to do it to you. She's finally relaxed. I'm not gonna bother her, but yep. Oh man, I hate doing this. I'm just gotta go. Like, people just have to wait for me because she's got to get to that vet ASAP. It is not cool. It's one of the worst things I've had to do. I hate doing this, but I want to at least be able to be there with her when she goes. I don't know. A little piece of Xanax, I think, will help her calm down. What do you think, baby? I can help you calm down. I can help you calm down. Yeah, she's like, she's just doing fine now, but I mean, it's like she can't keep doing this. She had got a sore right here and just kind of exploded on her. It's probably not good. Second time it's killing me. It's probably the second time she's had cancer. I believe it's probably cancerous. It returned cancerous. She has no back legs. It's so bad. So I don't want to go into too many graphic details, but she's been really loved and had a good life. So 22 years is a long time. Ain't that right, baby girl? Ain't that right? Go get on back on. Get my directions. Pay attention too. But say bye-bye. Watch it later. Give me some kisses. I'll get some kisses to get you in there and get you done. We almost to the vet. So, wish me luck. I mean, I seen it for a while. Probably have to post this because I couldn't do the live stream. It just got hung up. I don't know what's going on. But either way, I'll just post it as a video. So, I'll probably make a little playlist with all of her videos. I've got quite a few of her videos. Sucks I don't have more. She got old quick. 22 years, that's crazy. I don't even know. The first thing you raise all day, isn't it, baby? Pretty good, huh? Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. Pretty good? You show me you can still eat? How the heck are you eating that food, girl? Yes. You're really looking rough, baby. Can't even eat it, can you, boo-boo? So sorry. It's not good. It's not good. Oh, baby, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. You want another one? You want another one? You want another one? Goodbye, sweetie. Goodbye, sweetie. Have a goodbye, sweetie. It's fine now. Yeah, you got one really good. I don't know if I'm supposed to be giving you all these treats. You're finally eating, poor thing.
Sorry to hear today.
I know. So terrible.
Yes, I was gonna say there's chocolate.
She was loving her.
There's all the
Yeah,
things.
she can get down even if she wants
Heck
that.
yes.
She's
Okay.
loving those treats. I don't know what are they. She maybe I won't even know. What are these little things?
Pepperonis.
Are they okay?
You just cut
Good?
them.
I've read before. Okay, I hope so.
So, few options for us today. Are you taking her home and burying her? Or are we doing a cremation?
Yeah, so I don't know.
Okay.
I've never done. I'll be honest. She's been with us like 22 years.
Yeah, gotcha.
But I don't know. Give me 1 second. She's not quite asleep all the way yet. Just getting tired.
Okay, I'll pop back in.
Give her like 1 or 2 more minutes.
Yeah,
She just started getting tired. I was just tucking
Perfect.
her.
I gotcha.
I don't want her to feel it. Thank you. Hey, baby, you going night? Go night. Sleepy time, sleepy time, sleepy time. Tuck her in. Tuck her in. And oh, no. No more pumpkin. Going night night right now. Going night night. And she's gonna be sleepy. My girl's no more. That is terrible. Nope, she's snoring good. It's snoring good. She's awake. She's gonna take her feet. Tickly feetsies. You sleepy? You sleepy, girl?